In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite essential hair growth tools that I feel every girl should and must have. So if you find this video helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And without further ado, let's begin. So guys, the first thing I have here on my list is this applicator bottle. This is especially good for applying products, liquids to your hair. So I like oil treating my hair and I like doing oil treatments. This is very essential if you're someone who likes to do oil treatments or you do a lot of DIYs to your hair. For me, I make my own DIY oils, so this bottle is really useful to say the least, especially when it comes to applying the products evenly to your hair. It just applies the products or the oil just in the right amount to get to your scalp, to get to the roots of your hair, so you don't have to think about whether or not your product is getting to the right places. Okay, so this is one of my favorite hair care tool just because it spreads the oil. For me, it's the oil treatments that I use this for, and it gets to the roots of my hair, especially when I'm doing an oil treatment. So I feel if you're someone that does a lot of DIY hair treatments, and you want to apply your products or any liquids to your hair, this will come in very handy. So on to the next essential hair care tool you need for proper absorption of your products is this steam or heat cap. So this one is very essential if you have low porosity hair. Low porosity is not a bad thing, it just means that your hair takes a little bit longer to absorb products in. So if this is you, then this would really go a long way for your hair. This helps with proper absorption of moisture to the scalp. It helps with proper scalp circulation. So I majorly use this when I apply my deep conditioning treatments or I apply a hair mask, mostly to properly get the moisture into my hair. On to the next essential hair care tool we have is this spray bottle. So guys, I regard this as a staple hair care tool because this is used very regularly. Using a spray bottle allows to moisturize the hair properly without soaking the entire hair. It helps to distribute water or any hair care products evenly. This is one of my favorite hair care tools because I really cannot do without this spray bottle. It is essential in styling my hair, in moisturizing, in detangling. This is just one of those hair care tools that you make use of every single day, and it is essential when it comes to moisturizing when styling, or moisturizing when detangling, or any application of liquid products to your hair. So what you use to secure or hold up your hair matters a lot because it can either make or break your hair. So that's why this satin scrunchies or hair tie is very essential to hair growth, because it can actually protect your hair from excessive damage, especially when you tie up your hair. It prevents your hair from tugging at the roots. It is very comfortable to use because it doesn't really hold the hair as tightly as normal hair bands do. They are very easy to put on and very easy to undo. If I want to sleep with my hair without braiding, this is definitely what I use to secure my hair because they do not cause tension at the roots of my hair. So on to the next must-have and essential hair growth tool is these Detangle brushes. So one of the things I love about these detangle brushes is that they make the process of detangling so easy and less painful, because I've heard a lot of people say that detangling their hair is really painful. So another thing I really love about these detangle brushes is that they actually reduce the amount of breakage, hair breakage that you would notice in your hair. So using these detangle brushes properly helps reduce hair breakage, helps make the process of detangling stress-free and not painful at all. You just need this in your life. Okay, on to the next hair care tool in the same vein. These are wide tooth combs and they come in different varieties. I have a big size, I have a smaller size. The smaller size is actually very essential because these ones are for my girlies who have other people do their hair and they try to comb out your hair with those tiny rat tail combs. So this wide tooth comb, the tangle comb, is really important. This one helps you detangle your hair without crying. That's just the only way to put it. To comb out your hair, the teeth is wide enough for your hair to pass through, the coils of your hair to pass through. So on to the next hair growth item that you need for reducing frizz, for reducing breakage on your hair is a satin bonnet. Sleeping without a satin bonnet on your cotton pillowcase doesn't help your hair. You can also use a satin scarf, okay, because bonnets help prevent your hair from the rough, abrasive material of your pillowcase that is not satin. Like your hair is better protected while you sleep from the material of your pillows. So you can also use a satin scarf if you do not have or you can't sleep with a bonnet for some reason. A satin scarf can also serve as well. So I just wanted to add this here. This is a plastic cap and I feel it is an essential hair growth tool because of deep conditionings. Okay, so after applying your deep conditioners and you do not have a steam cap, this can also serve because it helps just trap the heat into your scalp, into your hair, and help your products absorb better. So if you don't have a steam cap, you can also just do with this. This can help you in your DIYs and in your deep conditionings. So the next essential tool I put in here is these hair clips. I never knew how essential and how useful these things were until I got them because they make sectioning of your hair so much easier, especially when you're working on your hair. Maybe you're having your wash day and you want to just put some part of your hair back so you can focus on a section. It just makes the whole process of styling your hair or washing your hair so much easier. Honestly, it is an essential useful tool that I feel every girl needs in her needs for her hair. So guys, I feel like these hair tools are not even debatable. They are a must have. So guys, these are my top 10 essential hair growth tools. Let me know which of these in the comments you cannot do without. Personally, for me, all of these are really important and honestly, they've made my hair journey so much more easier and, like I said, less painful. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more and see you in the next one.